Dear learners, in the previous lesson, I have shown you how to brand your video. In this lesson, I'll show you how to change the format of your video. Let's start. So there are three formats: 16:19 landscape. This is the landscape format, and 19:16 portrait, and 1:1 square. So the landscape is suitable for YouTube, and also you can use it in Facebook and in other medias. Most of the time we use landscape, and for portrait we use for TikTok and shorts and reels of Facebook, and 1:1 square format is used for Instagram. And on the top it is written select video resolution 720 and 1080p. So its resolution 720p has a resolution count less than million, and 1080 is more than 1 million pixel count. So if you want a fine output of your video, then you can select this one. If you select 1080, then file size will be increased. And if you use 720, the file size will be lower than 1080, but the resolution will be lower than 1080. So we select this one. The second one is optimize generated video for size. Turning this on would reduce the file size but increase the video generation time. So file size will be decreased, but the video generation time you can increase. I'm turning it off for the time being. The default size of the video is 16:9 landscape. You know about this one, so I'm going directly to portrait, where you can make TikTok shorts and videos for reels. So I'm showing you one thing. There are two swan here. You can move the video like this if you want to show this one. So in one frame, if you want to show this one, and in the next video, if you want to show this one, then you can move the screen of your video. In the same way, you can change your font like this. You can increase the font size, prominent, then you can use bold. So it's the same way you can change features of the video. The square, this is for Instagram, and you can change your video like this. And you see when you change the aspect ratio, then all of your scenes are changed. If you want to show this rainbow, then you can move your video like this. And the same way you can download the video. You can change font style and add audio. And the same way you change the features in landscape mode, you can change the music, text, and elements in the same way in the portrait style. So that's all about changing format. Thank you.